Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here, which is something that I have been obsessing over for quite some time and it's perfect for the summer. So I've gone for a really fresh, forward kind of a makeup and with really nice highlighted inner corners, fresh skin and bright orangey lips. So this color is something that I have been obsessed with and I've been wearing it every other day. So yes, if you'd like to know how to get this summer friendly makeup look, then please keep on watching. So time to glam this face up. Today for priming I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. So I'm just taking a small usual amount and I'm going to warm it up between my fingers and I'm going to tap this into my skin. So this primer has this amazing brightening property that I love, and since I'm feeling super dead today, I'm using this. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Clinique Stay Matte Foundation, another really long-lasting foundation, and I love the formula, guys. So with the amount that I have on the back of my hand, I'm going in with this brush and I'm first just tapping it onto my face. And now I'm going in circular motions and I'm just blending that out. I'm just directly going in with some extra onto my cheeks. And with the same brush, I am tapping it and blending it out. Now time to conceal them under eyes, and for that I'm going to be using the Kryolan Supra Concealer in the shade FS40. So using my ring finger, I'm just taking the product and applying it on my under eyes. And just a tad bit on my lid. I'm taking it around my mouth as well because that area is slightly darker than the rest of my face. And now with the same blending brush, just blending it all out. So this concealer is really lightweight and it does not get cakey at all, so it's perfect for summers. Now time to set the face, which is the most important thing in summers. So I'm going to be using the Faces Loose Powder. This is in the shade Sand Beige 03. So this comes along with the powder puff, which is pretty nice. So I'm taking this on my under eyes first, because that creases the most, and then I'm just tapping this onto my face just to apply it, not blending it with it. And now with that brush, just going in circular motions and blending and setting my face. To contour and highlight, I'm going to be using the Freedom Pro Stroke palette, and using the brush that comes along with it, I'm going to pick out this contour color and just a tad bit of the dark color, mixing the two together and taking this on to my cheekbones first. Taking the same to my jawline, my forehead, and I'm taking this brush and I'm just going to blend out my contour a little more. Now taking just the dark color, I'm going to contour my nose because I like my nose contour looking a little more obvious. Again going in with that brush and making sure that it's blended well. Now from the palette, picking out the highlight color and I'm taking it onto the bridge of my nose. Now I'm taking the banana shade and I'm taking it onto my under eyes. Taking the highlight color again. I'm going below my contour to just chisel it out a little more and to make it a little more sharp, like just a little. Taking the same onto my forehead. And with that same buffing brush, blending everything out. So I'm going over my entire face with this to make sure that everything is well blended and settled in and there are no harsh lines or unblended areas. For blush, I'm going to pick up my Essence Blush Up. This is in the shade Heat Wave. I have been obsessing over this, guys. It's such a beautiful blush and it has this really nice coral color that I love. So I'm just swirling my brush into the coral side. We're taking a bit of the pink as well. Short circular strokes. I'm just going to apply this onto my cheeks to have a really natural looking blush. To highlight my face, I'm going to go back into my Freedom Pro Stroke palette and picking out the highlighter. Such a gorgeous color, guys, and it's perfect for the season and for my liking. So as always, taking it on the tops of my cheekbones, tip of my nose and a little onto the bridge, Cupid's bow and the chin. So the eyes are going to be really simple and I'm going to be using my fingers for them. So I'm just picking out my contour color right here and I'm just placing it on my crease with my fingers. This is literally how I do my makeup in a hurry, guys. I never, have the time to reach to brushes. The same on the other eye. And now I'm picking out the highlighter, which is going to be the color, onto my lid. And I'm just tapping it all over my lid. Again, not too much because I just want a slight sheen. So that's pretty much it for the eye makeup. So now since my eye makeup is super simple, I'm going to make my brows pretty bold. So I'm going to be using the Freedom Eyebrow Pomade. This is in the shade Ash Brown. And using the pomade, I'm really going to define my brows and fill them in and make sure that I give my brows a really good shape. And look at that difference, guys. Like, it totally changes the whole look. Brows in place, going back in with that highlighter to highlight my brow bone. So since brows and lashes are pretty much the focus of today's look, I'm going to be taking this eyelash color from Colorbar and I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. And now taking my Rimmel London's Candle Eyes Retro Glam Mascara, I'm going to give a nice generous coat to my upper lashes and my lower lashes. For falsies today, I'm going to be using my Ardell Wispies, my absolute favorite. So now coming to the final step, which is the lips, which is the focus point of this look. So the lip color that I have been obsessed with, like crazily obsessed with, is this lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade 22. This is the most different and the most wearable orange color I've ever seen, and I think it's the perfect shade for the coming summer, especially for me. So I'm taking the lip pencil first and outlining my lips. And now I'm filling it in. And now going in with the liquid lip. To finish and lock this look, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Makeup Fixing Spray and I'm going to spritz it all over my face to make sure that my makeup really lasts. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. All the links are given in the bottom bar. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.